In this video, I will show you how to use Google Keyword Planner. Google Keyword Planner is reliable SEO tools which is completely free and easy to use. In this video, I will teach and show everything about Google Keyword Planner. After watching the video, I am 100% sure that you will become an expert in using Google Keyword Planner. So let's get started. Open a browser and search Google Keyword Planner. Click on the first link, find your campaign keywords with Google Planner. You will see an interface like this. Then click on Go to Keyword Planner. Sign in with your Gmail account. I am signing in my Gmail account. After sign in this interface, you will see information according to your country. Your work is almost done. Under Congress, you are all done. You can see Explore Keyword Planner. Click on it. You can see two options on this interface. Number 1, discover new keyword. Number 2, get search volume and broadcast. Click on discover new keyword. Enter your target keyword here. After entering the keyword, select your target country. I selected UK and USA. Get result. Here you can see a lot of related keywords of your target keyword. Here you can see the average monthly search volume of each keyword. You can see the competition of each keyword, which is very important for your post with Google rank. There is an arrow next to competition. If you move it down, it will show high competition keyword. Above will show low competition keyword, which will be convenient to get desired keyword. Real and essential video are always uploaded on my channel. So if you subscribe, it will benefit you. Thanks for watching.